Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Zapier connections to HubSpot CRM. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate Zapier connections to HubSpot CRM, start by logging into your Zapier account. On the dashboard, click on the Make a Zap button. Choose a trigger app and select HubSpot CRM from the list. After selecting HubSpot CRM as your trigger, click on the Sign in to HubSpot button. A new window will pop up asking for your HubSpot account credentials. Enter your email address and password for your HubSpot account. If prompted, complete any additional security verification required by HubSpot. Click on Log in to proceed. Once logged in, you will see a request for permissions that Zapier needs to access your HubSpot account. Review the permissions carefully and click Accept to allow access. After granting permission, your HubSpot account will be connected to Zapier. You will see a confirmation message indicating that the connection was successful. Now, proceed to set up the rest of your Zap by selecting and configuring the desired actions. Remember to save your Zap once you have completed the setup. Test your Zap to ensure that the connection to HubSpot is functioning correctly. If everything works as expected, you are all set to automate your tasks between Zapier and HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.